So hey you guys, I hope you all are having a wonderful day. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Here I'm making a front door step sign, a welcome sign, which you can put anything on it that you like, but I'm just gonna put welcome on mine. My first time. There I have some white chalkboard paint, tint based paint. It's supposed to be chalkboard white, but I don't think it's chalkboard white. I'll tell you why later. Here also I have the chalkboard black paint, smooth slate like finish. This came out perfect. As you're gonna see, I'm gonna paint the board. I don't even know how many inches this board is. I should have measured it so I could let you all know, but you could get any size board that you like. Okay, so here I'm just gonna stroke the board up and down with the black tint based paint. Okay, so you just want to cover the entire board, front and back, which I'm just going to do the front right now, and then you let it dry for a little while. I'll probably let it sit and dry for a couple of hours before I go over it with the stencil and the white paint. Stay tuned. Okay, so you guys, so you see that the black paint came out nice and smooth. So you're going to continue to smooth it out and let it dry for maybe I'm going to say 2 hours. And then I'm going to come back with the stencil. Okay, so here I have the stencil on the board. And this stencil I got from Hobby Lobby. You could buy any kind of stencil you want, and since it's fall, you could get pumpkin stencils or whatever you want to go around your board to make it look nicer, more festive. I want to get some ribbon, which I didn't get anything. I'm going to go out later tomorrow. I'm going to go out tomorrow and get my ribbon and all, and I'm going to put a ribbon around the bottom and make it look more festive for the holidays. But yeah. So hey you guys, so this is the end of the project. I should have showed you how I took the stencil off. You take it off really light so you don't pull up any paint. So yeah, this is the last of the video for real. This is the last of the video, and this is what I'm saying. The colors look like they turned blue from that white paint. So it looks a little transparent. But anyway, thanks for watching you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe.